The Aqua Dam is actually a series of smaller dams connected together using a patented collaring system that forms a tight seal when filled with water.
This is your collar right here. So this high point is going to allow the water to go down into the next dam. Now when this dam fills up, the weight of the water pushing down on this dam is going to form your watertight seal. And then when you go all the way around, the sheer pressure and weight pushing against the other side is going to basically take this dam and squeeze it together. And it's going to lock in.
It only took a few hours to surround and fill this 3-foot-high Aqua Dam, which can hold back 2 feet of floodwater. And how does that compare with using sandbags?
Imagine a 3-foot-tall, 7-foot-wide berm around this home with sandbags. I mean, you're looking at in excess of probably 5,000. 5,000 bags trying to fill up wouldn't be fun.
The Aqua Dam has been used in both small and large-scale operations and is designed to hold up under many adverse conditions, even a correspondent strolling on top of it.
See, now you walked on water.